Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this one right here, so let's just jump right into it. It's the Dango MC01 titanium money clip, and yes, I do have all three colors, and I will be giving one of these bad boys away at the end of this video, so let's check it out. So I have all three Dango MC01 titanium money clips laid out right here. This is the satin silver, the jet black, and then the champagne gold. And yes, there is a giveaway at the end of this video, as I already mentioned. So let me just take one of these out. Let's start with the satin silver here. I'll give you guys a nice close-up of the MC01 titanium money clip from Dango. And while you guys are checking this out, let's talk about some of the features. So Dango's MC01 is a lightweight money clip made from titanium and CNC'd from 6061 T6 aluminum. It can hold up to 50 bills under the titanium money clip and can hold up to 30 more bills or 10 credit cards under the silicone band on the back. It also has a built-in bottle cap opener and two attachment points, one on the top and one on the bottom of the clip, which is perfect if you want to attach your keys, tethers, or a paracord lanyard. And just like every Dango product, everything is made right here in the USA. So what about the dimensions? It comes in at 3.85 inches by 3 inches, and at its thickest point on the top of the clip comes in at 0.65 inches. And by my weight test, it comes in at 2.9 ounces. That's 84 grams. So before I start talking about these, I'm gonna give you guys a nice close-up of all three of them. You've already seen this one from the beginning of the video. This one's the satin silver. Right here is the jet black MC01. This is really awesome. And then last but not least, this is the champagne gold right here. Nice. All right, so let's take a closer look at the MC01 here. So we have the titanium money clip right here in the front, and you can see it wraps around and is screwed in right to the 6061 aluminum frame right here. And yes, this is a CNC'd aluminum frame right here, but let's take a closer look at this titanium clip. So it is screwed in with 4 screws right on the back here, and it jumps out pretty far. Look how thick it gets right here. That's because it has to hold up to 50 bills under this titanium clip. And even though this is fairly tight, it's not an obnoxiously tight clip at all. One thing I hate is very, very tight clips on money clips, and this one, it's not that bad. And you can see I can easily lift it up here just because we have this little lip on the bottom. I can easily get my finger up under that clip to get access to the bills once they're in there. And now let's look at the branding here. I'm not a fan of overly obnoxious large branding on items, but we have a little D and then titanium right up here in the corner. That's not that bad. And then on the back here, we do have the Dango and Made in the USA stamped right there. But even if that wasn't there, this is an unmistakably a Dango product. I can have this on the table 10 feet away and I can just look at it. Yeah, that's a Dango product. And part of that is because of this silicone band on the back here. This is an M1 silicone band that's compatible with all M series wallets. And then couple that with the design on this titanium clip, yeah, you can tell it's made from Dango. And now let's check out these attachment points. So we have an attachment point right here on the very bottom, and then right here on the very top, directly next to that bottle opener. And speaking of this bottle opener here, it's been very hot around here lately, so I'm actually quite thirsty. So let's test and see how well this bottle opener works. And, all right. And I need some more practice with this bottle opener. All right. I fumbled that a little bit, but I guess it works just fine. I know there's 1,000 different ways to open a bottle cap, and your wallet or money clip is just one of them. And they also give you this little card right here, and this is really interesting because I'm gonna get to this a little bit later on when I show you the card test. And this is actually pretty useful when it comes to carrying your cards if you want to carry them under this clip. And speaking of that, let's start talking about the functionality of this money clip. All right, so as Dango claims, you can hold up to 50 bills under this titanium clip here, and under the silicone band, another 30 or 10 credit cards. But they say this is still tight enough to hold only 1 bill, so that's what I'm gonna test out right here. So I had to go out and stock up on some bills here. So this is only 30 bills that I have. So this is pretty thick even for just 30 bills, and they say 50, so that's another 20 bills that can fit right here under this money clip. So let's test out just the 30 bills for right now. So I'm gonna use this silver guy right here, and it's fairly simple to stuff all the bills in here at once. And look, it just takes it like a champ. It just gobbles those bills right up. So now you can probably start seeing the appeal of this MC01, because if you're a cash carrier, there really isn't anything else like an actual money clip to carry your bills around. I mean, yes, you can have a traditional bifold with a cash compartment, but as you all know, when you start stuffing this many bills into a traditional bifold, that thing becomes a fat pig. But with this money clip here, you can see 30 bills under there, and yeah, I can definitely keep going here. So my way of testing 50 bills is I'm gonna take out 5 of these bills here to make an even 25 and just double up that thickness of 25 bills with some credit cards that would equal out the same thickness as this would be with 50 bills. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
So I took out those 5 bills right here, and here's 25 bills folded in half, and the thickness of this is right around 0.213 inches. Then I have some cards right here that I'm gonna make up the difference, and this is right around 0.23. So give or take a few bills here. I can't get the exact number, but this is gonna be close enough. At least for my demonstration purposes right here, just to see if it can handle 50 bills. So in this experiment, that's about the thickness of about 50 bills. And the total thickness here, we're gonna get around, yep, 0.45 inches, give or take. So let's stuff these underneath the clip here, lift it up. Oh, wow. Oh yeah. And it's a little tough getting it in there, but all right. There we go. So of course, I never recommend the maximum amount of anything a wallet company or any company suggests, just because you're gonna run the risk of stretching out this titanium clip and it might become loose over time. Dango's saying it won't become loose. They're saying it can handle 50 bills with no problem, but I would say no more than this at all. And if you feel the need that you have to carry 50 bills around, I would suggest opening a bank account. That's just my little joke saying that you probably don't need to carry this many bills around with you on a daily basis. But if you absolutely must be Big Daddy Warbucks and walk around with this type of cash, it fits. All right, so now let's take this cash out and then see what happens. Wow, that is really tight. All right, and then, all right. Yeah, look at that. Closes right back up to where it was. Not a problem at all. So now let's test out one bill after we had roughly 50 in there and see what happens. So one bill in there, it's not gonna come out, but you can see it is fairly loose in there, but it's not just gonna fall out, especially if it's just in your pocket. So in my opinion, yeah, it'll carry one bill just fine as long as you don't mind this just being slightly loose under that clip. And now let's get the stack back to 30, and I'm gonna test out that silicone band to see if you can hold all 30 of these bills here. So with this silicone band back here, let me just see if I can put all the bills in there folded in half. Yeah, this is gonna be very, very fumbly, especially if you're trying to stick this many bills under a band, especially if it's silicone, but all right. Actually wasn't that bad. There we go, 30 more bills underneath the silicone band back here. And I really wish I had 80 bills to show you what it looks like with 30 bills under the band and 50 bills underneath this clip, but you're just gonna have to use your imagination. It was roughly straight out like this with all those bills, but it was something like that. Now let's get rid of those 30 bills and test out the 10 credit cards they say can fit under this silicone band. And yeah, I'm fairly certain these are gonna fit just fine. There you go. Now, of course, me personally, I would never rock this money clip this way, carrying 10 cards underneath this silicone band. If I had to carry 10 cards, I would just get a traditional wallet. But this silicone band for me is perfect if you have to carry a single credit card here or there. Just like that, it works great. And once again, while we're talking about me personally, I only carry 1 or 2 bills for emergency purposes, but if I did carry 30 bills under this thing with the 1 emergency credit card, this is basically what it would look like. And of course, all of you guys are gonna be different. Some of you don't really carry a lot of cash. If you don't carry a lot of cash, this money clip just isn't for you. It wouldn't really make sense. Even though, like I mentioned right before I started stuffing some bills in here, you can still use this if you do carry a lot of cards, if you want to use this money clip to carry your cards. Even though I really wouldn't recommend it without some kind of shielding for your top card. Maybe a skid plate the same size as your credit card to protect the top from constantly sliding in and out of this clip here. And that's why I said maybe you might want to take a look at this little card that they give you inside the case, because if you stuff that in there on top of your credit cards right there, that's going to add some protection just right there. So I'm not 100% if that's what Dango intended this little card to be, but it's almost perfect for that. Or if you don't want to use this skid plate, just use a couple bills as a buffer. Just use this 10 like I showed you before. And now you can rock your cards and cash under that titanium money clip. I love it. So this is usually the part when I talk about what I like or don't like about a certain product. So what I like about this is it's a money clip and you can't really mistake it for anything else. It's designed as a money clip and it does exactly that. It just carries your money. They have a very well thought out titanium money clip here that can hold up to 50 bills or just one if you need. And on top of that, if you want to carry your cards or more cash on the back, this silicone band back here has you covered. Or you can just ignore the band altogether and just stuff all your cards and cash right under the clip. You have yourself the standard bottle opener on the top, even though I clearly need more training on how to use it. And it has two attachment points, one on the top and one on the bottom, depending on which way you want to carry this in your pocket. So what don't I like about the MC01? To be honest, not much about this I don't like. Simply because if you're buying this, you're gonna buy it for one simple reason. You carry a lot of this stuff. If you don't carry a lot of this stuff, I wouldn't really recommend this, because why would you buy a money clip if all you carry are cards? Even though this is perfectly capable to carry only a few cards if you need it to be that way. And normally I'd include a $79 price tag for a money clip in the negative section, but I really can't do that here. Just because this is a pretty high quality money clip made of titanium and CNC'd aluminum, I think it's worth the 79 bucks. All right, guys, so it's giveaway time. I'm gonna give away one of these bad boys right here. And because the one I was carrying for demonstration purposes was this satin silver, this won't be the one I'm giving away. It'll be either one of these right here, the jet black or the champagne gold. So whoever wins, you get to pick which one of these you want. The other one that you don't pick, it's already spoken for. So how do you win one of these MC01s? Fairly simple. First, you must be subscribed to this channel. So if you're not, hit that button. Number 2, you must like this video. And number 3, you must comment on this video, anything you want. So once this video hits 500 comments, either this black or gold will be one of yours. So once again, subscribe, like, and comment. Once I hit 500, I'll do the giveaway. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of Dango's MC01 titanium money clip? If you want to check this out for yourself, I will have links below in my description box. And yes, I do have a special code just for my subscribers. So if you want to save 10% off your entire order, that code will be down below as well. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!